It took us almost 20 minutes to reach to the top. It's very easy. It's not that much difficult.
Do you want to know?
Welcome back to the channel, friends. Today is 1st August and we are going to an exciting location. We have prepared our food and packed it. So once we will reach there, we will have our lunch. Then I think again we need to hike a bit to reach to the top. On the way, I will give you the full details along with the route map. So let's start. I have no idea if the place is open or not. We will go and check it out. If not also, we will enjoy the drive, not a problem. So let's see. We just reached. Actually it took 1.5 hours for 60 kilometer. We started around 11:30 and now it's 1 o'clock. So it's lunch time. So before we proceed to the top, right, I will finish our lunch. After that we will start, because it will take at least an hour to reach to the top. So first let's have our lunch. After that we will go. We had our lunch and took some rest. Now the weather is becoming cloudy, so I think this is the perfect time to go inside and check. Looks like we need to hike a bit to reach to the top. It looks easy. Let's see. Let's go inside and check. It took us almost 20 minutes to reach to the top. It's very easy. It's not that much difficult. So you can come here. As you see, we are at the hilltop. Though it's not the complete top, there are options to hike little more. Where I think this is the Sole shooting point. So as you see, right? Let me show you. So this is the famous Ram temple. Okay, and this hill, right? If you see here, this hilly area, these are shooting point, the Sole shooting point. You can choose to hike till top, and there will be definitely awesome view, but we are not going to hike till top because it is getting cloudy and it may rain, and then it will be difficult for us to go back. So we spent some time here, almost an hour. It's a nice place, but I recommend to visit in the weekdays and avoid weekends, because I see there are crowd here. So just to avoid, right, for safety reasons, during this time actually we should avoid. I captured some clips, so let me show you that. Okay. Hope you like the clip. Actually, there are three temples. One is Anjana temple, Lord Hanuman, and another one is the biggest one is the Ram temple, and Rameswara Swami temple, which is Shiva temple. So three temples are there. So basically it is famous for this Ram temple, as per the name only, Ramadevara Betta. Yeah, quite good place, but as I suggested earlier, right, you should plan any of the weekdays and avoid weekends because of a little crowd. Okay, so now let's proceed. We will go down and we'll meet there. We came down. One suggestion: if you are coming here, do not leave your footwear down. You can go with your footwear on till up. Before entering to the temple, you can leave your footwear there. It will be easier for you. And it's not only a religious place, but also a wildlife sanctuary. As you can see this, right, there are posters all around. Also there is a religious significance of this vulture, where you can just pause this video and just watch what exactly it is written here. Okay, yeah, now it's time to go home. Basically, to reach here you need 1.5 hours, and to go up it takes 20 minutes. You can spend some 1 hour over there, then to come down 10-15 minutes again. So a half day should be fine. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you liked it. If you liked it, please press the like button. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe. It motivates me to do more. See you in the next video. Till then, take care, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.